Okay, so we're here at the Learning Hub, at the Makers Lab, and we're gonna do our connected object for IoT class. So here are our materials. Let me show you more closely the materials that we'll be working with. That was me, and we'll start with the motherboard. Well, we have this to hold the different parts together, but we won't be using this. This is the motherboard with the Wi-Fi chip. This is the screen, which will show the air pollution, and these are the things to connect both the motherboard and the screen. So this is an example of the screen. Let me also show you what we'll be doing. We'll be soldering the parts together with metal. And we'll be using a heating device in order to actually do so. So here we go. It's also important to remember that you actually have to leave one space free. Like you basically you leave one space free between each of the solderings. That way you will prevent things from overheating and damaging the materials. So as you can see, it's quite easy. It's quite straightforward. You put the heating device on top of the things that connect both the screen and the motherboard, and once you put the heating machine, the heating utensil, you put the metal wire, and then it melts and makes everything stick together. This will allow the transmission of electricity in waves, and this is it. This is actually pretty straightforward and but pretty interesting. So there, we're basically done. We're basically done doing everything and soldering. We can actually start coding now that we're done soldering everything. Let me show you how it looks. Just there we go. And this is our final product. There we go. So we have finally connected the screen and the motherboard, and now we can start coding. So you pass the code with the wire to your connected object, and then it's done.